Hello everyone, Munazir Chaudhary is back with Bavi Media, and today we are at the fashion show. It's all in a one day, season 2. Currently I am with Varoin Marwah, the founder of Varoin Marwah. I want to ask him what exactly the brand story is.
So this brand started 10 years ago, and it started from the desire to have amazing menswear. And I've studied fashion, and I knew I'm going to go into that direction because I felt there was a big need for menswear.
Okay, so this brand is only for the men's. There is no for women?
So I did start with menswear, and I would say predominantly we're a menswear brand, but we also do very, very selective women clothing as well.
Okay. Do you guys do customized order, or it's just random? You guys create in one type of styles 10 or 15 pieces and sell in this market?
So we do both. As you said, we come up with collections, which are did today. So now these collections will be sold in the stores. And also we love to meet our clients and make something personalized, which is pretty much made for them.
For their memorable days as well?
100%. For all the grooms, for all the special occasions, if ever they need, they come to us, and it's always lovely to be a part of that.
Okay, I want you to know your expectations from this fashion show.
So this fashion week, which is it's all in a day, is a very premium event because they are selecting, I would like to include myself, really talented and very creme de la creme designers. And of course, you can see the turnout, the great crowd that's come in, and so much support from media and so many people.
Yes, we have to say that they have organized it so well. Okay, I want you to explain your brand in one word.
Innovative.
Dubai in one word.
Inspiring.
Your personality in one word.
Balanced.
Wow. Thank you so much for your time. And guys, don't go anywhere. We will be right back with more amazing information about It's All in a One Day Season 2. Stay tuned with Bavi Media.
Hi, my name is Varoin Marwah, and you're watching us on Bavi Media.